While Apple has redesigned several of its high-profile applications and stores in recent years, one aspect of the company's business has remained remarkably intact: iBooks. According to a report in Bloomberg, that will change, since Apple is redesigning the application with a simpler interface and a new store, and has hired a new director to supervise the work. Bloomberg says the application will be renamed Books and, according to reports, will be released in the coming months. The interface will be simplified, highlighting the books that are currently being read, along with a separate tab for audiobooks. The library will also be revised to match the recently redesigned App Store. The publication also notes that Apple hired Kashif Zafar in December to run iBooks. Zafar previously worked as vice president of digital products for the Nook division of Barnes & Noble, before moving to Audible, where he launched the company's podcast network, Channels. In 2012, the Department of Justice accused Apple and several major publishers of colluding to increase the prices of electronic books, and a federal court ruled that Apple conspired to raise the price of electronic books and received a heavy fine of $450 million. Since then, Apple's library and applications have gone virtually unnoticed, while Amazon has dominated the e-book market. The two developments could indicate Apple's renewed effort in the publishing industry.